No longer traditional farms with old farming methods. Today's modern pig farms are built on a foundation of outstanding advances in technology, animal nutrition, and data management. With a value of millions of dollars, modern pork processing plants not only meet growing consumer demand, but also set new standards for quality and efficiency. Join me to explore the innovation and influence of these farms in the future of the global livestock industry through the following video. The pig industry plays an essential role in the global economy, providing a vital source of food for millions of people. According to statistics, the global pork market has reached a value of $254.53 billion in 2022 and is expected to grow to $418.37 billion by 2028, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 8.6%. This increase shows the increasing demand for pork consumption and affirms the role of the pig farming industry in the context of globalization. Today's pig farms are no longer ordinary breeding facilities but have become centers of technological innovation. These farms are established and operated according to high standards in technology and production processes. The barn space is optimized to meet different livestock requirements, such as breeding barns, farrowing barns, piglet barns. Each area on the farm is built with a reasonable distance, without less than 20 meters, so the pigs can move freely and comfortably. Furthermore, the modern farm is fully equipped with an automatic food and water supply system, along with an advanced cleaning system. These processes help improve production efficiency and ensure a clean, comfortable living environment for pigs. One of the highlights of modern pig farms is the application of IoT, Internet of Things, technology in livestock farming. Smart sensors are installed to monitor temperature, humidity, and health indicators of pigs in real time. These data are sent directly to the management system, allowing farmers to monitor and adjust environmental conditions quickly when there are any unusual signs. This not only helps maintain good health for pigs, but also minimizes the risk of disease. Besides, nutrition is an important factor in ensuring the comprehensive development of pigs. The use of supplementary foods and vitamins helps improve health and grow faster and more effectively. Veterinary management in modern pig farms has also made great progress. Advanced disease diagnosis and treatment methods help minimize the risk of disease and optimally protect the health of pigs. The Pig Medical Data Management System allows monitoring and early detection of potential diseases, thereby providing timely and effective treatment plans. Thanks to that, the mortality rate of pigs in modern farms has been significantly reduced, improving farming efficiency. Normally, Pigs can be sold for slaughter after about 6 to 7 months of raising, when they reach a weight of 80 to 100 kilograms. However, this time can last up to 8 to 9 months for slow-growing pig breeds. Then they will be transported to processing factories. One of the important factors in a modern pork processing plant is automation, from cutting, grinding, to product packaging. All are done using automatic machinery and equipment. This process not only helps increase productivity but also ensures uniformity in product quality. Thanks to automation, human intervention is minimized, thereby minimizing hygiene and good safety risks. To ensure each product meets food safety standards, modern pork processing plants have applied continuous quality inspection technology. Modern testing and analysis equipment helps detect and remove impurities in pork, ensuring that the final product meets quality and safety requirements. Additionally, the use of blockchain technology in supply chain management helps track and ensure transparency of the entire production process, from farm to fork. Although the pork market is growing strongly, the pig farming and pork processing industry still faces a number of major challenges that need to be addressed to ensure sustainable development in the future. The video ends here. What do you think about today's topic? Please comment below to let us know. If you are passionate about exploring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so you can watch all the interesting and exciting videos ahead. And now goodbye and see you again in the next video.